هاي دخلت هنايا ما خلوناش نخرجوا، حتى جا فيها روراوه، جا فيها المينيستر او الداوس قالوا خلينا نخرجوا.
شايف انت فين؟
قالوا هذا تخلف الحاج.
Once again, an example of Egyptian dirty tactics to delay the Algerian players. We've been sat here for maybe more than an hour and a half. It's 11 o'clock now. I'm not sure. I think the game finished over 2 hours ago. But yet the players are still here. You can see on the coach there, still sat here. All these people around. Too many chiefs. So I don't know. Everyone thinks they're a boss. Strange. Very strange. Obviously they're going off to Sudan. It's 11 o'clock. The players need sleep. They need rest. You know, the Egyptians are probably back in their hotel now already. You know, getting ready for the trip to Sudan. And the Algerians, if you turn the camera, you can see they're still here. Why they're still here, only God knows. Only God knows. But I think the sooner they leave this country, the better. Because it's just been a disgrace, to be honest, from start to finish.
And can you tell the public how long they've been here as a hostage?
Like I said, 2 hours. It's now 11 o'clock local time, and the game kicks off at 7:30. So you can do the maths. I'm tired. We've had a long day. I can't really think right now.
And can you introduce yourself? You are part of the FIFA and...
I'm not part of FIFA direct. I work for FIFA as a freelancer, as a freelance director for one of the films that we're doing.
And this is not on?
Of course it's not on. Of course it's not on. No matter who, no matter, you know, you've got big people from the Algerian delegation outside arguing like they're in a market.
Let's go and see what happened.
انتم قاتلين اللعيبه بالبرد جوا. يلا بسم الله خذنا خلينا نشوف الطريقه ثاني نقفل.
These are the explanations we cannot accept. We cannot accept. It's not correct. It's not correct. Now please open the door. We leave.
خلينا نمشي ما تخافش خلينا نعطوا امر ساكت.
You have the competence to do it. It's up to you. Friendship is okay, but now it's the
عطى محمد صور ايه روح ملبس يلا روح عليه خليه يجي ملبس يا روح من هنا اخرج برا اخرج مختار اخرج مختار هاي الحاجة انت تشوف المعاملة غير المباراة، شوف المعاملة اللي معاملينها حتى لنا أسراء هنا داخل جوا الملعب ساعتين بعد المباراة. أي مباراة هذه مؤامرة ماهيش مباراة. السبب سوء التنظيم. يلا يا جماعة لو سمحتوا يا جماعة لو سمحتوا خلاص يا شباب لو سمحت. On sort d'un grand tracas. Heureusement qu'on s'en sort indemne et on verra au cours de
وعدهم اللقاءات الأخيرة وزعفونا بزاف الرئيس روراوة والمدرب هنا راك تشوفوا هنايا في الشاشة. زوج سوايع حنايا رانا قاعدين هنا في الباركينغ وما خلاوناش نخرجوا. هم داروها سكارة راهم يدوسوا هذوك راهم يحكمونا هنايا.
اسمع كيف
وهذا الريبورتاج هذا ما راناش فرحانين بزاف على خاطرش حكمونا هناك كهوستاج كهوستج وحتى الحادث هنا تنوى منهم يسوقوا ويسقي وقلقوا بزاف هذيك كنخليهم خلوهم يخرجوا بيكم ولا بيكم. الحرارة الجزائريين الحرارة الجزائريين ما شاء الله ما شاء الله شوفوا Oliver, before the coach is leaving, I mean, what do you say? And what do you say about this? As you are a member, like you know, you're working.
Then we don't really have to say anything.
I mean, for that,
look at the time. Look at the time.
Game finished at
What?
you should get paid double, man. You really should. You know,
11. Just leaving.
got our flags away. This is not on. This is not on.
No, they've got a flight to Egypt, number 2, which is called Sudan, tomorrow to play a game on Wednesday. After the nightmare that they've suffered here, and according to the Egyptians, this is normal. This is what happens. I don't know. I've been to a lot of countries, and to be honest, I've never seen behaviour like this anywhere else. But
well, I don't think now the Algerian public they're going to be happy to hear this and to see this, that we've been hostage for the last hour and a half.
no, of course not.
And
Even we're coming to film. I'm not coming here as a fan. Yeah, I'm a fan, but ultimately I'm getting paid. We're both getting paid to work, and anywhere we go, don't go here, don't go there. Everyone's a boss all of a sudden. Everyone's a general. Everyone knows better than me. Even though I've been a TV director for God knows how many years, they know where I should stand, where I should go. Listen, leave me alone. Let me do my job. You do your job. We don't have to communicate at all. There's no need for communication with me and those people up there. There's no need for us to speak. But yeah, they want to talk to me every 2 seconds.
thank you very much. I mean, you've done a very fantastic job, and
بالعربية بدي رجال فوضى ونفوق الفوضى وإن شاء الله سبحانه وتعالى راك يشوف كل شيء وإن شاء الله العدل ونشوفوا جاستيس كيف يقولوا بالإنجليزية جاستيس نشوفوها في السودان.
وشحال شدوهم هنايا هما يستناو باش يحلوا لهم البيبان؟
هل كيف قلت لك راه شدونا هنا شي ساعة ولا ما عرفت شحال هذه 11 الليل ومازال ما نعسناش وهذه جينا في السيرة راك شتي فوق جينا في السيرة جينا من 8 الصباح وحنا فايقين.
بزاف
بزاف واخا كورة كنبغيو الكورة كنحبوا الكورة ولكن ماشي بزاف. ولكن احنا ماشيين للدار دابا الحمد لله.
مسا عليكم مسا عليكم مسا. قام جا خلوا البيبان.